Do you find yourself struggling to stick to a budget despite all your efforts? Are you constantly searching the internet for the perfect budgeting method, only to feel overwhelmed and discouraged by the sheer number of options available? If this sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. But fear not, because today's video is here to help. Welcome back to our channel, where we are dedicated to helping you improve your finances and achieving your financial goals. In this video, we'll be introducing you to one of the most popular and effective budgeting methods out there, the 50-30-20 rule. This simple yet powerful rule can help you take control of your finances and create a budget that works for your unique needs and circumstances. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting out, this method is easy to follow and can help you make real progress towards your financial goals. So, if you're ready to finally conquer your budget and start building the financial future you deserve, let's dive in and learn more about the 50-30-20 rule. Have you ever struggled to manage your finances? Do you find it hard to save money or pay off debt? If so, you're not alone. In fact, according to a recent survey, 65% of Americans say they have some form of financial stress. Finances can have a significant impact on your stress levels. According to a recent survey by Thriving Wallet, a project supported by Thrive Global and Discover, a whopping 90% of Americans believe this to be true. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to take control of your financial future. The survey also reveals that over 40% of respondents wish they could have a fresh start with their finances, while almost 40% admitted to not taking any notable steps to secure their financial future. Don't worry, it's never too late to start making positive changes to your financial situation. Let's explore some practical steps you can take to get on the right track and reduce your financial stress. It's never too late to take control of your money and start building a brighter financial future. And the best part? You don't need a degree in finance or a complicated budgeting system to get started. In fact, there's a simple rule that can help you manage your money and achieve greater financial peace of mind. It is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build a stronger, more secure financial foundation. So, if you're ready to start managing your money like a pro and say goodbye to financial stress, keep watching to learn more about the 50-30-20 rule. First of all, let's learn what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule was actually first introduced by Elizabeth Warren, who is a United States Senator and a well-known advocate for consumer protection and financial reform. She popularized the rule in her book, All Your Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan, which she co-authored with her daughter, Amelia Warren Tyagi. The book emphasizes the importance of balancing your financial priorities and focusing on what really matters when it comes to money management. The basic rule is to divide up after-tax income and spend 50% of it on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. The rule suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to your needs, such as housing, food, transportation, and other essential expenses. Then you should allocate 30% of your income to your wants, such as entertainment, shopping, hobbies, and other non-essential expenses. Finally, you should allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment, such as emergency funds, retirement savings, debt payments, and other long-term financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a great budgeting strategy that has been used by many because it's simple, flexible, and realistic. It allows you to prioritize your expenses based on your needs and values without being too restrictive or complicated. It also helps you balance your short-term and long-term financial goals by allocating a portion of your income to both savings and debt repayment. Plus, it's easy to adjust the rule to your own situation, depending on the income, expenses, and lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule has gained popularity in recent years, and as a result, many financial experts and personalities have spoken out about its effectiveness. Susie Orman and Dave Ramsey, financial advisors, often recommend the 50-30-20 rule to their clients and followers, noting that it provides a clear framework for managing expenses and building wealth. Now that you know what the 50-30-20 rule is and why it works, let's talk about how to apply it to your own budget. Listen and take note of this method to help you improve in managing your finances. First, you need to calculate your after-tax income. This is the amount of money you take home after taxes and deductions. Once you have this figure, you can allocate 50% of it to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Now, let's further discuss and expound on the needs, wants, and savings. 50% of needs. This category includes essential expenses such as housing, utilities, food, transportation, and insurance. These are expenses that you can't do without and should be prioritized in your budget. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, you may need to find ways to reduce them, such as downsizing your living arrangements or finding a more affordable mode of transportation. Next is 30% of wants. This category includes non-essential expenses such as entertainment, travel, dining out, and hobbies. While these expenses are not as crucial as your needs, they are still important for your quality of life. The 30% allocation for wants provides some flexibility in your budget to enjoy the things you love. The 20% is the savings and debt repayment. This category includes emergency savings, retirement savings, debt repayment, and other long-term financial goals. The 20% allocation is crucial for building a strong financial foundation and achieving financial security in the future. To do this method, you can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a pen and paper. There are many available budgeting apps and spreadsheet templates online in case you're having a hard time doing it manually. Once you have allocated your income, you can start tracking your expenses, adjusting your budget, and saving for your goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting technique that can help you achieve financial stability and security. However, just like any budgeting method, it can have its pros and cons. Let's first discuss its advantages. First, it is very simple and easy to understand. The 50-30-20 rule is a straightforward budgeting method that is easy to grasp and implement. It provides a clear framework for allocating your income and helps you prioritize your spending. Its second advantage is that it encourages savings. The 20% allocation to savings and debt repayment encourages you to build an emergency fund, save for retirement, and pay off debt. This can help you achieve long-term financial goals and build a strong financial foundation. Third, it promotes balance, which is very important in personal finance. The rule's division of 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment promote a healthy balance between your essential expenses, discretionary spending, and savings goals. Lastly, this budgeting method can be customized. While the 50-30-20 rule provides a general framework, it can be customized to suit your individual needs and priorities. For example, you can adjust the percentages to allocate more to debt repayment or savings if necessary. Now, let's explore its disadvantages. First, it is honestly not suitable for everyone. The 50-30-20 rule may not work for everyone, particularly if you have a low income or high debt load. In such cases, you may need to adjust the percentages or consider a different budgeting method altogether. Second, it doesn't account for regional cost of living differences. The rule doesn't take into account the differences in cost of living between regions, which can impact your essential expenses. Third, it may not be flexible enough for you. The 50-30-20 rule may not provide enough flexibility for unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies or job loss. You may need to adjust your budget in such situations, which can be challenging with a fixed allocation of funds. Lastly, the possibility to ignore long-term goals. While the 20% allocation to savings and debt repayments encourages long-term financial planning, it may not be enough to meet certain long-term goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or funding your child's education. The 50-30-20 rule can be a useful budgeting method for many people, but it's not perfect. It's important to evaluate your own financial situation and goals before deciding whether this rule is right for you. If you decide to use it, be sure to customize it to your specific needs and remain flexible in case unexpected expenses arise. By striking a balance between your needs, wants, and savings goal, you can work towards achieving financial stability and security. And that's it. The 50-30-20 rule is not just another budgeting method. It's a simple, flexible, and effective way to take control of your finances and build a more secure future. By allocating your income into 3 distinct categories, you can prioritize your essential expenses, enjoy your discretionary spending, and save for your long-term goals, all without sacrificing your quality of life. And as financial planner Kathy Curtis reminds us, saving for the future is as important as every other expense you have. Do it no matter what. So why not give the 50-30-20 rule a try and see how it can transform your finances? Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a home, or simply build a stronger financial foundation, this budgeting method can help you get there. And if you're still unsure, just remember that you're not alone. Many people struggle with budgeting, but with the right tools and resources, you can overcome those challenges and achieve your financial goals. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your financial journey. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on this budgeting method and if this will work for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on personal finance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.